I'm Chris Robinson, and I know how to shop at NAPA Auto Parts. And today, I'm going to show you how to prep your car for winter. Number one, a portable booster pack. Now, you have to make sure you get the right one for your vehicle, starting with small car, medium, and working your way all the way up to big truck. Also, it comes complete with its own carrying case. It's ready to use right out of the box, unlike your old style, and it has all your hardware for your cell phone, laptop, and even gaming systems. And even though it's only got 5% charge, you'll still get 100% power. Three things to think about. One, diameter. The smaller the number, the bigger the wire. So you want to make sure when you've got a bigger vehicle, you've got a bigger wire. Two, insulation. You don't want to shock yourself when you're doing this. And three, length. You don't want to be put in an awkward position when boosting a vehicle. NAPA Auto Parts distributes the famous WeatherTech line, laser cut to fit your vehicle. So when you need to get a set of WeatherTech mats for your car, come down to NAPA Auto Parts so we make sure we get the right size for you. Also, the classic pant saver. Here's a tip. If it slips, put Velcro underneath it. And yeah, we sell that. Built for your compact car. Now here's a tip. Make sure you clean the snow off before you drive anywhere. You don't want to get a ticket. And last but not least, for your SUV or truck, telescopic. Another winter essential, windshield washer fluid. It's Canada, so it's cold. Make sure you get the right washer fluid for your vehicle. Two, lock deicer. Here's a tip. Don't leave it in your glove box, and I don't think I have to tell you why. Three, wiper blades. Now, we have a link to the wiper blade video in the descriptions of everything we talked about. Now you know how to shop for winter prep at NAPA Auto Parts.